Forgive me there, I'm sorry, but I had to go change the batteries in my camera here, and got that done. So let me get back to what I was doing here. Oh yeah, I was changing this filter out. Okay, let me get some more clamps. Got another right here, come with this package kit that I bought, and we're gonna go right back in here. This hole right here looks pretty decent, so I'm gonna just go ahead and use the clamp. No, I'm gonna go ahead and put a new clamp there too. Take that old dingy one off there. Got this new clamp right on here. Then I'm gonna turn it up till I can get to it with my screwdriver. I'm gonna take the new filter while the gas is running through it. No, not just yet. I'm gonna hold off just a minute, because always remember, and I forgot it just now that I was putting this new hose on here. So I need to put the hose on the other end. So I sure got a good fit on there. But never mind. A little bit involved in doing this, but God, we should get it. That new hose is pretty tight. I'm gonna put on there. But there it comes. So now what I'm gonna do is grab this hose back here again. Let the gas run through a little bit, make sure all the dirt's cleaned out, and put that filter in there. In this direction with the big end pointing toward the motor. And looks like we'll have it pretty good here in just a minute. Tighten that clamp up. Okay, now since we got that done, I'll put this new hose back on here. Get it on there just as good as you can. Slide it all the way up to there. Be sure to slide your new clamp right down there on this hose. Before you do any cutting or rerouting or anything, make sure you get this on here. You'll notice there's gas coming out the end of that hose right there now, so I'm going to put it up here just to block it from running. Get this one on. Then I'm going to tighten that one up. Shade tree mechanic, but I've done this stuff all my life, so I know what I'm doing works. Then we've got a fresh new hose here to put right there on the bottom of this gas fuel pump. And I'm going to take my knife, I'm going to cut this hose off right where I want it. Right about right. Hold it up, bring it up to right here, and hold it right there. And I'm going to cut that off, that excess hose. Just like that. I'm going to slip it right up here onto this fuel pump for the time being, because I'm going to replace the fuel pump too here. So I'll just get it up here to hold right now. Time being. Now, grab my old faithful pliers again, and I'll jump down here on this end, get my fuel pump ready. Here it is right here, a new fuel pump. You can see it matches this 22 horse Koler engine fuel pump. And we'll hold it up here and just take a look at it. It looks like it's just right. Got a little dirt and crud around that hose right there. Okay, so now turn that down, and this one's over there. We'll get a socket and ratchet and change that in just a few. And I'll just keep working here, and I'll show you here when it's all done there. Grab yourself a 10mm socket and ratchet and screw these bolts out right here. Lay them down here so you can get them pretty handy. Locate pretty handy anyway. Get them right down there. Okay, adjust the camera up just a little bit. I'm going to take that one right there loose and get it off of there. Just like that. Sometimes you can just grab it and twist him a little bit and pull him off like that. Okay, this one will pull up. And I'm going to go back to this one here that I just stuck on, keeping all the gas running. And I'm going to grab this new fuel pump and put it on there. Just like so. Let's see here. We'll get it turned right. It was on this one right here. Put it, get it right on there. I got me a clamp on this hose back down there by the filter. I'll slide up here and put on there and tighten up. Get it all the way up there good. And then I'm going to stick it right back down in here. Like so. I'm going to put that line right back on here. Make sure all the dust is off of it. Dirt. Now, got that in there. Stick these screws right back in there. Grab your little faithful 10mm socket and extension. See if we can get it started right back.